Welcome back. Prime accused in LPK club vandalism case Zenito Cardozo surrendered before the court at Punji on Friday. Police will produce him before the JMFC court on Saturday and seek his custody. Police say Zenito was not present at the crime site but has charged him for hatching conspiracy of LPK club vandalism.
After remaining underground for months, finally Zenito Cardozo surrendered before the court on Friday. Police has made Zenito Cardozo main accused in LPK waterfront club vandalism case. Police say Zenito was not present at the scene of crime when it was committed, but he has conspired the whole plot of crime and group of 25 goons headed by Zenito's right hand Dominic Nazareth had vandalized LPK waterfront club at Nerul in broad daylight on 22nd August. DIG OP Mishra informed Prudent that after surrendering before the court, Zenito has been taken into custody. Police will produce him before the JMFC court on Saturday and will seek his police remand for interrogation. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
CM Parrikar has solved the issue of Madgaon fish vendors by allotting space for a prayer room. Parrikar sarcastically commented that agitating politicians should pack their swords and take sannyas as government has taken care of the fishermen's demands. Meanwhile, the Madgaon fish vendors have postponed their bandh.
PDAच्या संदर्भात जे पळय थंय प्रेयर रूम दिवपाचो आहा पळय ताची ऑर्डर ऑलरेडी गव्हर्मेंटान इश्यू केल्ली आसा. The chief town planner has issued an order to the South Goa PDA. So those politicians who are thinking that that will give them some reason to agitate, they may please close their, put their swords back and go for sannyas, because we have already issued the order for a prayer hall.
Madgaon fish vendors were agitated after a religious structure was demolished in the market. They had threatened to keep Madgaon fish market band on 10th December. However, they have informed all the fishermen that band is postponed.
आम्ही त्यांना रिक्वेस्ट केले 2 गॅरेज दी म्हणून सीएम आवडे असलेले 2 गॅरेज आणि सीएम एग्रीड झालेलो तरी हांव कोण घोटाळो कित केलो तो एकूच गॅरेज दित म्हणून 5/3 म्हणजे एक गॅरेज इशी आमकां एक गॅरेज पावना सगळे लोकांनी सपोर्ट दिलो हा की बंद करा आम्ही तुमचे बरोबर आहाय म्हणून रापणकारांनी बोटकारांनी सगळ्यांनी सांगला आम्ही सपोर्ट तुमकां दिताय आणि तसे पणजे मार्केटाक बी आम्ही सांगलेले की आम्ही सपोर्ट तुमकां दिता म्हणून तेणी तरी सगळ्या 10 तारखेर मार्केट बंद करून नाका म्हणून सांगता.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar and Samir Bhatt with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Home guards as auxiliary to the police force are a big help to the civil police, especially in management of traffic. DGP Kishan Kumar appreciated services of home guards while celebrating the Raising Day of Home Guards on Friday. While the SP of Home Guards, Vishram Borkar, says proposal to increase number of volunteers is under government's consideration.
The Raising Day of Home Guards was celebrated at Police Headquarters ground on Friday. Director General of Police Kishan Kumar was the chief guest.
They are the auxiliary force and they are big help to civil police. In all the cities, including Goa, they are doing very good job, especially in the management of traffic. They work shoulder to shoulder in law and order situations with the local police, but their role in traffic management is really very good, and I always place it on record that if home guards are withdrawn from traffic duty, then traffic police will have a very tough time.
SP of Home Guard Vishram Borkar highlighted the role of home guards and civil defence. He also disclosed the programs planned for the organisation.
We have been witnessing volunteers of home guards and civil defence contributing their services to the police department at greater extent. They have been part and parcel of each and every important duties being performed by the Goa Police. Home Guard organisation is having at present 750 volunteer strength, which has been recently upgraded and increased to 1,500 by the government of Goa. We are in the process of recruiting more volunteers and they will be joining the organisation very soon.
DIGs KK Vyas, IPS, Dr. OP Mishra, Deputy Controller CD Melvin Vaz and others were present at the function. A video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Bogmalo Beach may get a facelift soon. Local MLA Marvin Gudino claims that there is a need to save the sole beach of Murgaon Taluka. Various developments are proposed at the beach.
Bogmalo येदोळ्ळो बीच जावन हांगा चेंजिंग रूम ना, पार्किंग ना आनी chaotic सिच्युएशन तें सगळें सारके जाग्यार बसोवपाक तुमी पयला आसतले एक सायडी बीच ओपन केला पयलीं बीच खंय ती कळनासली आतां क्लियरली कळटा बीच खंय आहा ती आनी तेच बरोबर आमी हे सायडीनूय उक्ते करताय पळय हे म्हाज्या लेफ्टान आहा थिंगा म्हणजे दोन सायडी ओपनिंग आसतले बीचार आनी जे हांगा पयलींसून आसले जे सर्वेचर सुद्दां आसा ते गाडे आहा तांकां वो ती शॉपां म्हण नाका कियोस्क म्हण नाका आमी तांकांय रस्त्यार उडयना तांकांय आमी रिहॅबिलिटेट करता म्हणजे तांकां मोदी एक ल्हान जागो दिवन तांकांय थिंगा घालता सो सगळे निवड दिसतले आनी बरें दिसतले
चडशे प्रॉब्लम आसलो पार्किंगाचो तशेंच चेंजिंग रूम लोकांक खूब त्रास जाताले हांगा व्हडले 5 स्टार हॉटेल आसा तशें इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्ट आसा चडशे टुरिस्ट हांगा येता फॉरेन टुरिस्ट तशें आमचे इंडियन टुरिस्ट तांकां खुबशे त्रास जाताले पार्किंगाचे प्रॉब्लम तशें चेंजिंग.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.